Today's video is about exercise and how important that is. Why is it so important? Because when we exercise, we're moving our joints, okay? We're moving the joints, which is so important for circulation. I heard this saying the other day and I really like it. Motion is lotion for your body. Motion is lotion for your body. Motion is lotion especially for your joints. And what happens with the typical medical approach, let's say somebody has a problem with their knee or their shoulder or their elbow. Typically, they will tell you, don't move it. Just keep it, isolated. Don't move the joint. And really, this is one of the worst things you can do, because when you don't move it, you're going to lose it's going to get stiffer and stiffer. Now, if you have a serious accident, I'm not talking about, if you totally blow out an ACL in your knee, but let's just say, you tweak your knee a little and it feels stiff and sore. A lot of times what that is, it's old acidic gunk that you've ingested from animal-based foods, too much saturated fats and grains also. The fibers in grains are like glass-like. So, these things can hurt because, glass can be very sharp, okay? So, and a lot of times that's all it is, but you swear something's wrong because you felt so much pain. But really, what you need to do is move the joint. And the reason for that, now, as much as you can. Now, this finger, because I'm a tennis player and I wrapped that finger around the handle of the racket, became very stiff. And it was like hard as a rock, and to bend it hurt. When I fully bent it like that, it would hurt. So I've learned from Ben over at ATG that I have to move the joint. Now, you only move it up till, you start to get real pain. If you're getting pain, stop. You've got to use common sense. But the point is, I started moving the joint and I could not bend it all the way like that. I couldn't do that. It would hurt when I did it, right there in this joint. So I kept doing it. I would do 20 reps, maybe 2 or 3 times a day. And now the finger's fine. And the reason for that, synovial fluid, which is a lubrication for your joints. So, when you have a joint that's bothering you, you have to try and move it as much as you can. Let's say your arm can only go this high. So you do it, you try and go that high. And then maybe try and just push it up a little more and come back down. Push it up. Just a little. Remember, use common sense. If it's real painful, hold off. But the movement gets that synovial fluid moving to the joint more, which is bringing nutrients and healing properties to the joint. So that's why I am a big fan of motion is lotion for your body. Motion is lotion for your joints. So you've got to move them. So today, for me, I'm going to sprint. I've got the nice 175-yard circle around the fruit farm. And I'll start off easy in the beginning, and then I'll I'll pick it up. I'll try and do maybe 5, 6, sprints around the loop and take a walk in between each one. So I get a little recovery period. Wow, I've been playing tennis, which is a short burst, a short sprint, but 176 yards. Wow. First time out sprinting in a while, so I didn't get 6, I didn't even get 5, 3 at best. So anyway, this will be a work in progress, but I'm very happy that I have this now because I like sprinting. And I'm glad I've got somewhat of a softer surface for now anyway. I think a hard surface is okay because it actually makes your bones stronger. But to get started, I'm glad I have this path and I can talk to my trees and pet them and hopefully support them to grow lots of fruit. All right, well, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, post any questions or comments. Fruit up. That's going to give you optimal health. Take care.